for memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Na say ye nim Kennedy Japan say ye nim say sisia no ejuma wodi esi neni so. Uyo obi a wo nim de ekoso na trese ebia na broni bese you are living under a rock. Na currently Kennedy Japan ma yeti asese o de beko Cecilia Mafo so. Cecilia Mafo amba mbeka no bo so de beko ne so. Na owie ye na wode ko na ejugezi so. Na wode ko na ejugezi so so a no de aba Cecilia Mafo. Na wo kan sem trensem just wo kan sem Cecilia Mafo otunto fie gu nkrofo nim just nkrofo num. Now that particular thing no Kennedy Japan is not the first person wakasa mama wati asese me se Kennedy Japan ba bonten na wo beka bibi na ade na waka no me ye menhwehwemu na mehu se eye ne kra I will confirm se asemu ya Kennedy Japan wo ka ne de eye ne kra Embra woni obi nim. I've said this countless times. Woni obi nim expose ya wo ye bebrebe. Wodi audio ba ya etrese obi nim ene ne sofo ketwa yere adano. Me ba bonte me ka say ne kre Kennedy Japan audio awa ye ne kre. Now Cecilia Mafo dia no nso no. This is not the first time mate se Kennedy Japan wo ka. Cecilia Mafo nankasa ne driver akapen se eyade a Cecilia Mafo wo ye den wo ye. I have heard an audio of Lady Bia wono so eben Cecilia Mafo pa ankrofo nim lady ne say lady no woni Cecilia Mafo ankasa na trese wokona sorry. Baby a Cecilia Mafo na sorry wono me te ben sa sorry no. Na last na Kennedy Japan ka say Cecilia Mafo sorry wa afienya. Kennedy Japan was right but not right because yes, sorry no wo tema akosombo kwan so na tema akosombo kwan no baby Cecilia Mafo nankasa na sorry wono your friend Matayeko na Matayeko ni afienya there it's just about 10 minutes drive into no eno no ntumi nka se Kennedy Japan is wrong but sorry nankasa there eni afienya but wo Matayeko obi a wonim tema eni akosombo kwan no bia wonim Kennedy Japan kan sem bi se Cecilia Mafo esi your friend saying signboards eni nyama esi kwan ne ho a ye betro remove now ne nyama eye ne kre sansem a Kennedy Japan kan ni na eye ne kre enti wo hwa Cecilia Mafo de no I didn't come out to bash Kennedy Japan na asem eba sisia ne say the things Kennedy Japan is saying about Cecilia Mafo eye intosio na wotu etu nkrofo enum no say akwantre a lot of people have confirmed say ne kre oyesa de ya tekra ne say na wo bi eyare nipa kono nya kidney failure wo ba Cecilia Mafo ho nipa kono no Cecilia Mafo sakra ne nipa kono yawe ne ekofom for some time. Those who go to church at Cecilia Mafo na sorry no omo at story way into no a lot of people are saying say it's indeed true ade bi a wotai I have told you say me personally no ngrofo bi wo ho a omo asori menko because of some things. Cecilia Mafo asori say me personally me nko because I see them me hu say ne omo dressing na I can't dress that way to church. Me wo bia woni me bia first na me nko asori. The enti a me nko asori kra first no and say first no o share e bia sneaker first Ghana na o share sneaker crowd the kwa asori I say na den na wo ba asori a wa hye mpobo asei wo de o ye yo dodo until say me be hu asori bia ye friend CCC eno de wo moka se emfa ho sebe atare a wo de ko party kra obetumi de aba asori sebe sneaker obetumi de aba asori ena me hu se ende me nso me sha asese me den me kwa asori ena me sha asese me kwa asori ntimi no ngrofo bi wo ho a wo mo asori personally me nko. Now Cecilia Mafo has come out to speak na wo hwa ya koye se Kennedy Japan so wan hye ne ho so a na tre se the purpose what the expose we ni na no ebia na purpose no ambem because isia no obi ehu say o Kennedy Japan ka wasem na oba abonten ebe attack no ana oba abonten be defend ho pan dia na tre say wo be attack o mo into obi a Kennedy Japan waka na asem bia obon sen bako no be ba abonten say obebo Kennedy Japan sembrane ana say wo eji say obi nimpe but obi nim kra later obi nim administrator ebeka se wo mu ko hu Ken Japan ene na akasa na te se wo mu hu se Ken Japan de wo beka na obepa ne cho a wo de be chew agrada aye the same thing. Reverend Obofo ebeye about 20 minutes close to 30 minutes video what can ye Kenya or hippie praises on Kennedy Japan. I know what Kenya Japan when can assemble. Cecilia Malfoy has come out to do the same thing. Montiemi ye. Cecilia Malfoy has come out to do the same thing. In a way, I said, "Well, Kennedy Japan fans be some fake fans." Meaning say, okay, mean to me just say fake fans there, but for market, and then okay, me to me I can say fake fans, but I will explain why I'm calling it fake fans. I said, "Well, Kennedy Japan fake fans be Kennedy Japan say honorable Michia." I say, "Me tie ade no dem ebo audio no na motie, me tie audio no na me woso me tie me say, hey Ghana, asem. Adencha na make say yasem. Endu 2 months. Endu 2 months. Ena dina samwa asemwa Kennedy Japan worker ende. Endu 2 months ena dina samwa beka the same thing. Cecilia Malfoy amba bontin ebe ma dina samwa fanso. Wamba bontin abeka say oh dina we there God bless you. Yebeye say Cecilia Malfoy amba bontin abeka sa. But also by Bontin Ebekasaye in a way also jabbed Diana Samoa. Inti adentin na Kennedy Japan so can the same thing that Diana Samoa can. And no the Cecilia Malfoy who say oh that be Kennedy Japan there. I was saying man the fans and I Kennedy Japan there was saying say God bless you. Because now they've realized that oh Ken there what can now be pan the child with the better. And that is what I am saying. Say yanshen here. Ebema the purpose of what Kennedy Japan is doing no. Mbim. Because now people are realizing say okopa Kennedy Japan chowa won kan ho assembium. Also for your friend nakwa. Ode jantoa ekoma Kennedy Japan wa downfall. E kan sem tre no. And I can Japan when there we join now so these pastors are realizing, and so if you are telling me say you are exposing these pastors because of what they are doing to Ghanaians, then I'm very sorry. That is not the case. And someone make an no. And yes, I must admit, say Embra Mesha says make same way. No, a lot of Ghanaians were not understanding me, but Sisiano Ghana for Bebrena are beginning to understand. And Ghanaians are realizing say it is indeed true. Even him, Kennedy Japan and Kasa admitted it. The first time, Beduko be part our car say Beduko be a part of their channel no. Or no can say Annie will be and will be frame no be can say and them yes sir not say the reason why I'm saying I'm doing the thing no. And I can Japan and Kasa admitted say Nipakono their work and it is true. You see what I'm saying? And so it makes the purpose why Kennedy Japan is doing the thing. So we're not there. We're here to save the Ghanaian. See Yebu Ghana for no. It makes the purpose as a purpose nekrano and yes anete. That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing. Because me, since Cecilia Malfoy pan so bad bonting, ebe praise Kennedy Japan, eka say God bless you, and the two, and meba be shiao, and nyamani ano wa obe hu say yes, nini na wapajo bre. Nini na no wapajo bre. Brother Sami Beke can send fast Cecilia Malfoy hono wan beka sao. Brother Sami Beke say wokobubo na sunu wan beka sao. Ade na Kenya Japan nko an beka dia. Wo ka say o de yenkonko tie audio na bia na nkrofo aka say nyesa na Cecilia Malfoy kan. Yenkonko tie audio no ensem a Cecilia Malfoy kan na Ghana for mwangasa mu hu say yes. Bebia asem no a me Melody Sika no e ho na asem no edu. Yenko tie mbra.
Ya papa nyame shout do nyame shamu nyina ya papa Kennedy baby a wo bia God bless you e kamera bia nya ye be pagya urade ye kese ye pagya nyame pa e wo ho mi wura mfi me ne zebre sem no ye be sa ba be sori urade e wo natu wo bio e sori urade ya papa manikoi me de osonchia echia mu nyina nyame nhyɛ DJ fo wo wiase mu nyina nyame ni obi ya ni mi obi ya bia no ɔmfa kuma papa ɔmfa ɔdɔ na ɔmfa nyɛ ɛnhyɛ onyankopɔn no nyam yakatuafo ɔno onyankopɔn David